The unfair advantage AI tools you need in 2025. If you're not using these AI tools in 2025, you're working way harder than you need to. These aren't just cool, they're productivity weapons. Whether you're a creator, student, or entrepreneur, I'm about to show you 3 AI tools that feel almost unfair to use. I've spent a good amount of time digging into what's out there, and I've narrowed it down to 3 that I genuinely believe can make a huge impact on your daily grind, regardless of what you do. Let's get into it. Alright, so first up on the list is Leonardo.AI. Imagine if Midjourney and Canva had a super talented baby. That's essentially Leonardo.AI. It's designed to take your text prompts and transform them into stunning, often studio-quality visuals. The power here is that Leonardo isn't just spitting out random images, it gives you a suite of tools to refine and control the output. Designers are already jumping on this for rapid concept art, mood boards, and even initial drafts for client presentations. For content creators, this is an absolute goldmine. Need a unique thumbnail, custom graphics for social media, eye-catching visuals for ad campaigns? Leonardo.ai can handle it. What really sells me on Leonardo.ai is its user-friendliness. Some AI image tools have a steep learning curve, but Leonardo is surprisingly accessible for beginners. This democratization of high-quality visual creation is a big deal, leveling the playing field for smaller creators and businesses. Ultimately, Leonardo.ai is about unlocking visual creativity and efficiency. Next up, let's talk about Perplexity.ai. Perplexity refines the concept of large language models specifically for search and information retrieval. Think of it as ChatGPT's smarter, faster, and always updated cousin. One of the biggest challenges with some AI models is their knowledge cutoff. They might not have the latest information. Perplexity addresses this head-on by aiming to provide real-time answers, and it gives you sources. Instead of just generating text that sounds plausible, Perplexity actively scours the web, synthesizes information from multiple live sources, and presents you with a concise answer, complete with citations. This transparency is huge because you can quickly verify the information and dive deeper if you need to. It's like having a super efficient, fact-checked research assistant available 24/7. Imagine the hours you could save. For students, this is incredible. For YouTubers and content creators, think about script research, fact-checking claims, or just getting a quick overview of a complex topic. Essentially, anyone whose work involves finding, understanding, and utilizing information can benefit massively. Perplexity.ai isn't trying to replace your critical thinking, but it's definitely trying to supercharge your ability to access and process information. And then there's ElevenLabs. What ElevenLabs does is voice cloning and synthesis, and it does it with a level of realism that is frankly astounding. The core idea is simple. You upload a short, clear sample of your voice, even just a few minutes can be enough, and the AI learns its characteristics. Then, it can generate new audio speaking any text you provide, in a voice that is incredibly close to your own. The accuracy is what really sets it apart. We're not talking about robotic, clearly artificial voices. We're talking about a clone so convincing that in many cases even your close friends or family might struggle to tell the difference. This opens up a whole new world of possibilities for audio content creation and manipulation. Podcasters are finding it invaluable for fixing audio mistakes. YouTubers are exploring creating multilingual content, narrating their videos in different languages but still using their own cloned vocal identity. Audiobook creators can potentially automate large parts of the narration, still in their own distinct tone and style. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The potential for misuse with voice cloning technology is significant. Think deepfakes, impersonation, spreading misinformation. ElevenLabs is an incredibly powerful and exciting tool that can unlock amazing creative possibilities, but it must be wielded with caution and a strong sense of ethics. These tools are just the beginning. AI is moving fast, and those who learn how to use it early, win early. We've looked at generating stunning visuals with Leonardo.ai, supercharging research with Perplexity.ai, and even cloning your voice with ElevenLabs. Each of these offers a significant leap in what you can achieve, saving you time, boosting your creativity, and ultimately, helping you work smarter, not just harder. The key is to not be intimidated by AI, but to see it as a powerful collaborator. If you want a part 2 where we dive into even crazier tools, ones that design full websites, edit videos while you sleep, or write 30 social posts in one click, hit that like button, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it, and drop more AI down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.